guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the thumbnail, the title, we switching up our hair. If you guys want to know more, let's go. So I have a wig from Jessie's Wig. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And I'm excited for two reasons when it comes to this. First one is it's a color that is kind of new to me. Like I'm starting to dabble into that type of color. And this is a drawstring wig. Do you want to know what I mean by that? This is the Free Tress Cap 13x5 Drawstring Lace Wig, Mixed Honey Blonde Glueless Wavy Wig, Human Hair, and I think 22 or 24. I'll correct myself on the screen. And it's a drawstring wig. So y'all know how like you be having to buy a wig and it's like small, medium, large, depending on your head size. You know, I usually have to go like large because, you know, I'm trying to fit my head, which is already a little big, according to other people. And my hair, y'all be like, how do you fit all the hair under there? I usually have to get like a large wig cap size for all of that. So the drawstring wig, hold on one second. This is, y'all know I like letting you know what comes in it as well. So wig cap, edge brush, comb, and a band. And then here is the actual wig, and it is a 24-incher. This is the wig, this is the inside, and then do you see that? It's a drawstring. So instead of having to deal with, you know, if you got a really small head, medium head, large head, it's got the drawstring in here. You can open it up, you can open it up, you can close it down, depending on your head size. I'm a loosen mine. I'm a loosen mine up. I literally want like the biggest size that you can get. I'm a loosen mine up for my head. And then do we see this color? You heard honey blonde. So it's got the blonde highlights in it. And that's my way of like kind of, you know, dipping my toe into a blonde because, you know, it'd be real pretty on other people, especially that kind of like ashy blonde with the brownish highlights in it. But you know, I'm also like a, I don't know about that. And y'all know I try color. I've done purple, I do ginger. What other colors have I tried? I've done brown, but like that's still close to black. But this is my way of like trying to get used to it. It's so, I like the coloring on this one. So let's go ahead and put this on. And y'all know, give me the glueless, give me the beginner friendly, give me the easy to put on because I don't know nothing about doing hair. So I'm gonna throw a little makeup in there, throw her on, and let's see. Take my Fenty stick. Color her down the part. And then a little bit more on the sides. Okay, wait a minute. I might like this color. Hold on. Now before I spray that down, a little makeup on the lace, help blend in. Okay, so while that does what it has to do, y'all see in the back how you can like still see the wig cap. So like I said, I put the drawstring as large as it could because I need to make sure it fit up here, give myself as little or as much forehead as I would want. And then once I glue it down, that's when I take the rest of the wig and I pull it back down. And the drawstring is, like I said, as loose as it can be. And then I'm gonna pull it and tighten the wig. Okay, gonna let that sit, do my makeup really quick. And yeah, y'all, this will be it for my hair today. I feel like it's even very much so like Real Housewives of Atlanta, like season 2, 3. But like imagine it like shorter hair. It'd be more like a pixie cut if it was Real Housewives Atlanta season 2, 3. But the color, giving very much Candy, very much Nene. To a married man, you already know. I like her. I'm thinking maybe like layers. But fresh out the box, y'all know I love me throw it on go type wig. Very easy instructions, easy to put on and go about my business. Absolutely, positively. The color was one thing I was excited about, and I'm liking this on me. It's growing on me. At first I was like, I don't know about that. And then of course it being a drawstring wig was the other thing. Baby, when I tell you, because y'all know like I don't glue down the sides of wigs. So knowing that this part is good and then I'm secure in the back is good enough for me. Okay, Jessie. Yes, Jessie's wig. Yes. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Everything that you need to know about this wig will be in the description down below if you would like to check it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.